Right, they've got to go around. We just need to go around. And we're round. Haha. So many choices.
มันมีสองครั้งนะ แม่นะ
ซ้ายขวา
มันออกอันนี้นะเพราะว่าถ้าเร็วกว่ามันเนี่ยมันจะไปปุ่นก้าแหละ
All we got to do now is flip a coin, left or right. Right. We're going where the lads are going. Someone's been down here and done a bit of chopping. Oh fuck. Oh! A spear! He got speared! Oh, there's a path in there as well. Huh. Ah. It's funny, we're following a trail and it looks like a dead cert, and then all of a sudden it's like, nah mate. Yeah, I knew he's gone. Oh, what a day out. If any of you are watching this and you're under 60 years old, you probably go through all them different phases where people say, oh, you're 40 now, you have to settle down. And then it's like, oh, your life's over now, you're 50. I'm nearly 60, people. I'm not done yet. Not by a long chalk. So don't listen to the bullshit. Just get on and do it. Fuck me, do I need a beer though? Oh, he's twisted his bars. He must have got caught a good one on the last corner. or should I say twisted his forks. It's,
12 net.
yeah, I got a sip song, yeah. Has he twisted, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah. Bird! Yeah, well, we can do a bit of maintenance, so I'm battery saving, so I'll be back.